Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Arc Raiders if it's not launching on PC, especially on Steam. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up Steam app. And then go ahead over to the top left, click on Steam. Now click on Settings. And then once that's done, go ahead over to Downloads. Okay, click on it. Now scroll down a bit and just click on Clear Download Cache. Okay. As it says here, clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So just click on it, wait for the process to finish. It will boot up or reboot your Steam app. Okay, and after that, you can go ahead and check if it helps. If that still will work, well, go ahead and find Arc Raiders. Let's say this is Arc Raiders right here. Right click on it, click on Properties, and then go ahead over to Install Files and just click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Okay. Verify the game, wait for the process to finish, and again, after that, just check if it helps. Alright, now if that still won't help, fix the issue, you can go ahead and find your file explorer, and then just go to your local disk C, program files x86, and then find Easy Anti-Cheat EOS. Double click, and then you can just go ahead and double click on Easy Anti-Cheat EOS right here, .exe or application. Double click. And as you can see, or as you may have noticed, there was a prompt that quickly disappeared. So once that's done, you're basically good to go. You can now go ahead and play Arc Raiders and everything should work perfectly fine now. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.